Welcome back. From award-winning burgers to a new summer favorite, Prime BGR in New Haven is adding a New England-style crispy cod sandwich to the menu. And today, owner and chef Joseph Hamboussi is here to show us how it's made. Chef, I know you were saying this was a special, and it is backed by popular demand permanently now.
I always wanted to do it, and I was trying to figure out what the best ingredients, because New England, we want to represent it.
Yes.
What's famous in this region, we want to have it on the menu so that people that come to the coast and they want to try, you know, they love the pizza, our burgers.
Oh, yeah.
But what's famous? What is it known for? New England style, which refers to the method of cooking and preparation. So coastal cuisine, you're thinking lobster rolls with a brioche bun that's buttered and toasted, and then either it's hot with a lot more butter or it's cold with mayonnaise.
Now, is this butter right here?
That's butter melting.
Love.
Yeah. You got clams in a roll too, same thing. This is crispy cod, so it's wild caught panko breaded, and then we put it into a toasted brioche, just like the lobster roll.
Yeah.
And we're gonna serve it with black and blue fries, which is, you know, it's got a nice blue cheese sauce, and that's what makes it really unique.
Sounds delicious.
So it went from special to it's on the menu since 2 weeks ago. And we have people coming in for it constantly.
Okay, so you
and
did the right thing.
Where is it? It's not on the specials. I'm like, it's actually on the menu now, so you're you know,
I would
safe,
say that's
you're
a
safe.
great sign that your specials are being requested to be put on the main menu.
And so I actually brought it up to another level by putting it with black and blue fries. We're gonna make it in a minute.
Let's do it.
Are you okay to get involved in this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right.
I'm your sous chef. Let's go.
So we want to take a bun, and we're gonna dip it in this butter and put it in this hot pan right
Anything
here.
dipped in butter works
Don't be
for
afraid.
me.
The other way. The other way.
The other way. Oh, oopsies.
Yeah, that's good. So brioche already has a high level of butter in it. Same, yeah. High level of butter already, and that's why people use it. We're gonna take that plate right there.
Yep.
These ones have been toasting up for a little bit. You're gonna take some mayonnaise and just slather on the bottom.
All right.
Don't have to go too crazy because this is not such a heavy dish.
All right. Just a little bit. I tend to have a heavy hand, so I'm being careful. All right.
We're gonna season it, so just put a sprinkle of the salt and pepper mix right onto the mayo. I got this beautiful lettuce over here that's already cut for a sandwich.
Gorgeous.
We're gonna put one nice piece.
Perfect.
One tomato. We're not gonna go crazy with all the toppings, but you see the sea salt, sprinkle it on to all the fish.
Sure.
That's really.
And this is panko, right? Panko crusted?
Breaded,
I love panko.
Yeah, that's where the flavor is. Grab one, put it right on.
Okay. Grab this one.
So these are pickled red onions.
Love those as
You're gonna
well.
put like a nice little mountain on top right there.
Love. These always add such a nice flavor.
It's unexpected. Everybody was like, wow, that was really trying to put it over.
It adds a little burst.
So instead of like a tartar sauce, I like remoulade, so I did a cross between the two.
I love remoulade. Is remoulade capers, right? There's capers in there? Love that.
And so I don't put pickles on this, but I love pickles. Everybody knows me.
You do love pickles.
But I got chopped pickles in here.
Oh, of course you do.
So
it wouldn't be a U sandwich without the pickles.
We're gonna put a bunch here and let some drip right off to the side.
Okay.
Just make it sexy.
I'm gonna try my best.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna take these out so that we can toss these.
And you said some off to the side. Oh, it already happened naturally.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, works for me. I think I made it sexy.
All right, so we're gonna take the top bun right here.
Okay, this one?
The other one.
Oh, the other one.
Yeah.
There we go.
Put it on, and then you have the nice flamingo there just to make it beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Bam.
Let's do the fries, and then so the fries, okay? We just fried them.
Yep.
We're gonna toss them here with, it's called black and blue fries.
Huh.
So it's Old Bay seasoning, but I put deep ground chili pepper in addition to make them a little spicy.
Delicious. I love Old Bay and very New England, right?
We're gonna throw a nice pinch of parsley in there, and then here's what happens next.
Oh, wow. I could see why people were demanding this comes back.
This is the blue cheese sauce that we make.
It goes on the fries?
It goes on like this.
Oh my gosh, every time I think it's done, it keeps getting better.
Forget about it. You're gonna love it. But the food tastes better when you're on the shore.
Perfect, and just in time to toss a break in style, chef.
I got the magic Martha Stewart kitchen here, oven.
I love this. You brought all the props.
Here we go.
Amazing job, chef. Thank you very much.
Let's trade this one. I made this for you.
Oh, thank you.
Put this down here. Give it a try.